morning. I just wanted to show you a quick way where you can see how much Ethan has completed in the class and what I can kind of see on my end. So this is my Schoology Facebook or my Schoology page. So if you just are able to ask Ethan to show you his, just say, hey, bring up your geometry course. He will go to courses and then he'll have a course that looks like this right here that says Geometry Online. Have him click on that. So for me to see what he sees, I'm going to change my viewing. Okay, so now I can see what Ethan sees. So on the left-hand side, you ask him to click on grades. So then this will take you to a breakdown of what he's done and what assignments are out there. So you can see that right now he has a 0.13% because he has done, and you can see right here, this assignment right here, because it has a score. If I actually click on that assignment, it'll take me and it'll show, okay, he started on 6/9 at 2:25. He completed it at 2:23 or 2:32. It took him 6 minutes. He scored a 2 out of 19. Now, most all of my assignments or all of my assignments have up to 3 attempts. So he could have done this 2 additional times to get a higher grade on it. If I look at this, the final, obviously, he's not there yet. But if I scroll down, it'll show all the assignments for the entire semester that he has to do by July 6th. I've gone in and I've just put in zeros for any assignments that students haven't done from Unit 6. So if you notice, he has zeros in all these assignments in Unit 6. And then these are all dashes. They just don't have zeros there yet, but since there's a dash and not a score, that means he hasn't done any of those assignments either. We are going all the way through Unit 9. Here's the 2 quizzes from Unit 6 that he hasn't completed, and then the test from Unit 6 that he hasn't completed either, and then the other quizzes that he will need to complete, and these other tests that he'll need to complete. So again, if you just ask him to pull up his geometry course, click on grades, you can kind of see what he has and has not done. And that would be your easiest way to kind of keep track of him and what he has done. I hope that helps. Thanks.